Hello class, today we are talking about animal classes.
And no, not the type of class you're in right now. An animal class is made up of animals that are all alike in different ways.
There are many different animal classes, but today we are talking about the 5 most well-known classes of vertebrates.
Animals with backbones.
These classes are mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. They are all part of the phylum Chordata.
Let's take a look at our first class.
Mammals are a very diverse class. Ranging from mice to men, mammals all share common characteristics.
Very true. Most baby mammals grow inside of their mother until they are born.
This is something that makes mammals different. Animals do something else.
Did you know mammal babies drink milk from their mothers until they are old enough to eat other food?
Yup, you may have seen this with humans. We are also mammals.
Mammals are warm-blooded, which means that they can make their own body heat even when it is cold outside. Whether it is sunny or hot outside, whether there is a snowstorm and it is very cold, warm-blooded mammals have body temperatures that usually stay the same.
Wow! Like the duck and platypus and mammal have those too.
Is it the egg?
No. Other animals like fish, amphibians, reptiles, insects, and even some mammals have some eggs as well.
Then what is it?
The answer is feathers.
What do you mean?
All birds have feathers, and birds are the only animals that do. Because feathers on a bird's wings and tail overlap, the feathers catch on and hold the air. This helps birds to fly, steer itself, and land.
No way!
Yep. But wait! Did you know that all birds only have 2 legs?
No, I didn't!
And unlike mammals, you can't see their ears. But similar to mammals, they are warm-blooded.
Wow, that's crazy!
I know. Birds and mammals have similar qualities, but they're from different classes.
Let's take a closer look.
Jenna, so what makes a reptile a reptile?
Well, the 2 biggest clues are 1, they are cold-blooded, and 2, they are covered in scales.
Being cold-blooded means that their bodies react to the temperature of their surroundings. When they get too warm, they can go into the water or shade to cool off.
Cool! But what are scales?
scales are made up of keratin.
Wait, isn't keratin in hair?
You betcha! Also, scales protect their bodies. They can be big or small or hard or soft.
Crazy. Don't reptiles have ear holes like birds?
Yup. Just like birds.
Some creatures that belong to the reptile group of animals are snakes, alligators, crocodiles, tortoises, and lizards. Let's take a closer look. Just record it. The word amphibian means two lives.
Wait, so does that mean an amphibian can live twice?
No, Gabrielle. It means that amphibians spend their lives in the water and on land.
Oh, I get it. So all amphibians begin their life in water with gills and tails, and as they grow, they develop lungs and legs for their life on land.
Yes.
Oh.
The larvae, or baby amphibians, undergo what is called metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis is when an animal changes drastically after birth. Many of their physical characteristics change.
You got it! Also, amphibians are cold-blooded, which means that they are the same temperature as the air or water around them.
That's like reptiles. They are cold-blooded too, right?
Darn tootin'! But there are more than 4,000 different kinds of amphibians. Members of this animal class are frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts. Vertebrates. The combination of gills, fins, and the fact that they live in the water makes fish different from other animals.
That's interesting. Fish spend all their lives in water and are cold-blooded, with the exception of the tuna family and the mackerel shark family.
Scientists believe that there are more than 24,000 different species of fish in the world.
That's a lot of fish. They range in size as well, from the largest, the whale shark, 51 feet long, to the smallest, 1-inch snout.
Fish also lay many eggs, sometimes millions of tiny eggs. They lay them in the water.
Most fish have a skeleton made of bone, but some, like sharks, have a skeleton made of cartilage.
Fun fact time! Did you know that whales and dolphins are not fish?
That's right, they're mammals. They are warm-blooded, feed their babies with milk from their bodies, and breathe air into lungs.
Fish differ from mammals by replacing fur or hair with scales and fins.
Fascinating.
Denko Masuka ni horonya ye